You're welcome. So this is an example 2 of Python Turtle graphics programming. In this, we'll understand how to generate the polygons and then give a corner names. So in the previous video, we generated the polygon, but we are not given any names for the corners. But here, we learn like how to give the names for each corner as shown in this picture. Let's start. Okay, start the ideally. Sorry, Python ideally, that is an integrated program development environment. Okay, I'll just resize this. I'll keep it over here. I'll create a new file. So I'll just resize this again. So keep it on left side so therefore easy for us to work. Fine. So we start with turtle. Therefore you can say import turtle. So you need to declare the window. So window is turtle.screen. S is capital. So T is equal to turtle dot turtle. So it's an instance of the turtle. Fine. So in the previous video, we already have the code. So therefore I just copy the same. So instead of taking too much of time. So please watch the previous video. So the video link is available in the description. Just scroll down, and if you're not yet watched this one, please watch that video. Then you'll understand like how to generate the polygons. So here is the pen color. So that is red, and fill color is green. Pen size is equal to 2. Then what you have done is you have an angle. There is a variable that is equal to 0. Sides we are reading from the user. Okay, timing what I'll do is I'll enter the values. Then later we can read. So sides is equal to 4. T begin fill. So you want to fill the color for the. So this also okay fine. Let it be there. Then for n in range sides, how many sides are there? Based on that, T dot ft forward 90. Then angle is equal to 360 by sides. How many sides are there? We can divide by 360 divided by sides will give the turning angle. So that is the angle. Then you say T dot right and then end fill. Okay. So now let us run this. So first you save the file. Give it as some file name. So Python related. So save the file. Now if you run this F5. So here is the run. So you can see that it create a one rectangle. Now what you want to do is we want to give the name for each corner. You want to give the name for the each corner. So we already know like in order to write in turtle, you have to use the write method. Sorry, write WRITE. So here we can write. Okay, once you move forward, so there we can write. So therefore you can say T dot write. Now we want to write A B C D. So therefore not to write A B C D. So let's generate the A B C D by converting the number with CHR function. So if I give 97, 97 for A, let's see that how it looks. Save this and run. Fine. So you can see that A is generated. But we don't want A in everywhere. What we want is A, B, C, D. So okay, what we do is we'll take a variable chvar character var that is equal to 97. So here you can replace with a chvar. In the beginning it is a 97. Then we'll increment that value. So chvar is equal to chvar plus 1. Done. So now we'll run this. What will happen? So now we have A, B, C, D. Now what happened? B is inside, C is not visible at all, D is at the other positions. We want to properly on the right side we want to print them, and also we want to increase the font size. So if you want the font size, what we'll do is we declare one more variable called as a font. Okay, so let's declare a variable font called as font1. So here we can take Arial. Then what is the size? Let's say 25 is the size. Now here when you are writing ch write, so that it take 4 values. So one is true or false. So whether it has to move, so that is false. Then align to left side. Then one more is a point. So now point 1 is the variable. So where it will have the point. Fine. Now you can see that A, B, C, D. Fine. So now the size is bigger. So good. But problem is you can see that B is joined, C is inside. We want to bring it outside. Then how do we bring outside? So in order to bring it outside, what we'll do is, there are many different methods, but here what we'll do is, we'll use one more instance of the turtle. So you can say T1 is equal to turtle of turtle. So there is another instance of the turtle. Then what we'll do here is, you can see that T1 FT, that is 90, then T1 dot write. So you should write in the T1, not in the T. Right, now save the file, run. Okay, so it's moving on to the right side. Okay, why it's moving right side? Because it's not taking the right angle. So T1 dot right angle. Okay, fine. So now it writing in the same location with a different color. So therefore T1 color is a block. Fine. Now what you want to do is, so this one should come into the right side, little bit right. This one has to come to this side. So now to do this, what we can do is, instead of this 90, okay, so you need to increment it a little bit. So in order to increment, we'll take one more variable, lvar. So initially that is equal to 90. So therefore it is a lvar. So then what we'll do is, we'll increment the lvar. So lvar is equal to lvar plus 10. Now let's see what will happen. So there it will draw one more outside rectangle. Fine. So here not incremented. So here is incremented, here is incremented, it is went out. Okay. So what we'll do is, in the beginning we'll take it as 100. Now, okay. So A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, D is went little bit up. So that I don't want. So what we do, the last angle. So last angle we don't want to do the increment. So we can say if n is equal to sides minus 1, then this lvar is equal to 100, else we can increment the variable. So the last one we should bring it here only. Therefore we are checking that whether what side it is. So okay, so it's still outside. So to check for one more, 2. Okay, so now it's almost perfect. Right, now what we want to do is, we don't want this line. So therefore we can go there and T1 dot pen up. So pen up, so we'll not write anything. So now we don't have the additional line here. And we don't want this turtle also. So therefore you can write T1 dot I turtle. So now we don't have turtle. So it's printing A, B, C, D. So somewhat it's okay now. So now let's try for 5 angles. So 5. Okay, so it's done. 6. Okay, so somewhat okay, not bad. So that's how you can write the corner names. So if I give 4, so it's coming fine. So so you can improve that one. So here particularly the corners we give the name. So that is what are the name for each corner, A, B, C, D. So if there are more corners, let's say take 8. So it's go away from, as the number increases, it's going away, away, away. So this can be reduced. The increment should be reduced. Okay, as the number increases, it can be reduced. Now we can give 5. Okay, so 2, 5. So that's how you can plan it properly, and they can give the name for each corner. So please try this exercise, and we'll keep coming out with the more examples. Keep practice them. So naturally, when you want to do a project, when you want to do a real-time work, these things definitely help us, and we can do wonderful programs in Python. So we'll bring more examples. Keep watching this channel. Also, please subscribe to our channel. So now to subscribe, just go to iBlix tutorials. So below the video, you can see that iBlix tutorial. Click on this, and then right side you can have a subscribe, and also go to videos. So we are uploading every day a lot of videos. So check it out. Which are the one you are interested? Watch them. We have a lot of project related videos. Please watch them also. Also suggest our videos to your friends. Thank you very much.